Welcome everyone to this artificial intelligence workshop. We have assembled a wide variety of experts to discuss AI in hospitality openly and practically.
And my concern is that people are using it without the training programs being in place.
It's something that I feel everyone wants to be kind of involved in, but it's something that always has to improve the guest experience.
How can we use it to help us accelerate the speed?
Yeah, frustrating, but yeah, I love Copilot.
You know, a good person with AI tools is going to do something in a week, as opposed to someone bad manually might take 3 months.
And so the technology works well when you have clean data. And the one thing our industry does not have is clean data.
So the tools that we use and the way we use them, the way we set them up are paramount in the success of a pleasant guest journey and a pleasant experience.
The appetite for AI is very, very different. And I think there was some real sort of success stories, I think, in a couple of different scenarios. I think, was it 80% of people now checking in via the phone before they even get there? We're certainly not here to rip people out and replace them, nor are we here to rip out existing technology and replace that. This GPT model is developed in Europe. It has data warehouses in Europe. It's in the process of building one in the UK because we know that that's important for a lot of our customers, I imagine. It's important in the hospitality sector.
The world's not ready for AI, and AI is not ready for the world.
I agree with you that the world may not be quite ready for it yet, but I do think it's coming, regardless.
Get some real value out of IT then as well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And I would pay for that.
Yeah.
Even more than I pay for
So
that.
a lot of
Connect into the ticketing system.
Yeah, HubSpot.
This is where actual examples, stories like this, even your own internal examples, is going to bring it to life for hoteliers.
Actually, as a salesperson, just have a chat with this widget and I can ask these questions and it will feed it back. So then the experience I'm giving our customers is so much stronger and so much better.
One of the things that I'm sort of certainly taking away at the moment is this right for your business, and does that represent your brand correctly?
Thank you all. Really, really grateful for your time and joining this conversation and giving us your feedback and your thoughts.